even know how loud this is.
Yeah, guys, don't use headphones if you're watching this
Please
on my
don't.
channel, because, like, you're gonna get deaf.
We don't want to get sued.
And, like, yeah.
Cable out, cable in. Wait, what? It just says 07. I'm gonna guess it goes with cable out.
There was a rainbow slug on my TV. They're fighting.
I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. I just turned off the cable.
Oh, there's slugs. There's slugs!
What the?
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
There's like slugs and worms and what are they called?
Flies!
Yeah, there's flies!
Flies!
And the cable won't work. This is my grandma, guys. Hi.
I'm turning on the cable.
Welcome to the X1 Club.
It's farting! It's farting! Oh no! It's farting! Everybody's in the room now. Ah! Oh my god!
Oh, the volume was turned all the way up.
I know, I'm just turning it down now.
Wait.
Oh, now it's not going to be as scary. Move. I'm trying to film. Ah!
I think I can do this. I did something.
You have 8 more minutes and 30 seconds to film this YouTube video. Huh? Guys, you can just like watch the TV. I will put you guys over here. Let's see.
Maybe I just need to turn the volume down. Who knows? There's so many slugs. Again, why did we start calling them slugs in the first place?
Because whenever this happens to my TV, they look like slugs. They look like limes that are ants. I mean, slugs. They're slugs.
Okay, well,
They're slugs.
try this.
They're slugs. Ah!
Where's the remote?
Well, I'm filming right here, so. Oh, Carmen! Yeah, guys, I'm right here. Subscribe.
Well, we're gonna have a part 2 because I obviously can't fix it. Whoa. There's rainbow flies everywhere.
Rainbow flies! I'm here too, guys.
Oh my gosh, Aaliyah, I just figured it out.
What?
Wait.
I'm gonna go on the other side and watch it.
Wait.
I fit!
I did. Did I put both of these in? Oh, sorry.
We're saving lives, people.
Yeah. Totally.
We're also saving TVs. Interesting. It's like she turned it down, but it's like just getting louder.
I want to show you the flies.
Oh my gosh! Up close and personal.
Hey, I
With
can make
flies.
I'm making the brightness really low and really high. That's the welcome sign. Welcome.
That's what it looks like under a microscope.
Yeah, under a microscope. Okay. Ready? didn't even take out the plug.
Crickets.
Guys, I fixed it.
That's Carmen talking. This is me.
I fixed it.
She fixed it. I'm gonna go get my hairbrush. While she's filming, I'm gonna go get my hairbrush.
Well, we're doing a part 2, so